Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel Power, and this is Suki. Guess what we have in today's video? The answer is on behind of me. Here you can see is our Gobel battery. This is our 16 kilowatt PC314. The BMS is PC. And today we will show you how to connect the inverter. This is the 6 kilowatt inverter hybrid, and I will show you how our battery works together with the inverter. And our battery, the maximum parallel amount is about 15 pieces. So 15 pieces, 16 kilowatt battery can work together. And today I will teach you how to connect the inverter and also how these batteries are working together. Now here is the 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter. You can see the detailed parameters. This hybrid inverter, and the ambient temperature is 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. And the charge mode, battery voltage range is 48 volts DC. Battery charge current is 135 ampere. And here is the wire connect with the city electricity. And here is the port. This port is connect with the PV. And this wire is the network wire. You can connect with the battery, and so that the battery and the inverter can communicate. And this black color cable is the negative cable. The red color cable is the positive cable for you to connect the battery also. And if you buy battery from us, we also ship together with two cables. Red represents the positive electron, and the black represents the negative. And also here is the network wires to communicate with each battery and also communicate with the inverter. Here you can see the detail of the battery. This is the positive electron, and here black is the negative electron. And here are the ports for you to communicate with the inverter. So now our engineer will start to communicate the inverter with the battery using this cable, and also the network cable will connect each battery, and each battery can communicate with the inverter together. Before connecting the battery with the inverter, we need to check that all the circuit breaker is off. Now here is on, so we need to put it down. Now here is off. We need to check that all the batteries are off. And then we can start to connect the inverter with the battery. The positive cable connect to the positive electrode, and the black represents to the negative cable. We connect to the negative electrode. our maximum parallel amount is 15 pieces. Now we have 3 pieces battery in parallel, but the maximum can go up to 15 pieces. Now the communicate cable is connect with the battery, the CAN port. Connect the battery and the inverter. We power on the inverter. Here is the RS458 port. We use the network cable to connect the battery RS485. Three batteries are communicate together and transfer the data to the inverter. Now these 3 batteries are in parallel, and we can see the electricity showing. Now this battery is discharging, and this battery don't have electricity, so is charging. It's charging now, and this battery is also discharging now. We still go to the PC BMS on-time monitoring. Here is the first battery. You can see that the first battery is now discharging at 30 ampere. And the third battery, is discharging at 8 ampere. And the second battery, is charging at 36 ampere. So the first battery and the third battery are charging the electricity to the second battery. This is the usage of the BMS. The BMS is on-time monitoring the battery electricity and will charge and discharge the battery to let them the electricity will be stable. Each battery are in the same capacity. Here is the cable. We will also ship together for you. The cable connect the laptop and also connect to the battery RS232 port. Now here is the app of PC.
打开窗口，那个红色的，不是，先打开窗口，对。
Here's the setting parameters. We need to choose which brand we use of the inverter. Here is the yet, and we choose the yet. This the and here the ADS. The first battery ADS we power on the number 1, and the second battery, the ADS, we power on the number 2. And also power on the battery. The third battery, we power on the number 1 and the number 2, and power on. The ADS, how to set, we will also send in the user manual. And after the battery are power on, we can check the inverter here. We can see the battery charge voltage is 65.2 or 55.2 volt, and the charge current is limit 435 ampere The discharge current limit is 465 ampere. Means 3 batteries are working together now. Now our workshop is power off outside. We power off our battery is sending the electricity to the inverter, and inverter transfer the electricity to the ceiling. Okay, here are all the content about today's video. You can see our battery is communicate with the inverter and constantly transfer the electricity to our workshop. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions about how to parallel the battery and how to communicate the battery with the inverter, please leave your comments, and thank you for watching this video. See you next time.